I think nature has a way to make good judgment. In fact, all the judgment that nature makes is always right. It's such a stupid saying, but it reminds me of the importance of knowing the nature's way, because you cannot win. Yet humans stupid enough to challenge the nature, conquer the nature. Original sin. It's the worst kind of arrogance, perhaps, the human arrogance. I'm a bit laughing, but crying inside. The wisdom that we humans can come up, and the compassion, connecting with everyone, every living being and more, is the wisdom. The compassion is wisdom, and wisdom is compassion. Because that's the nature's way. But the human way is misaligned quite often. But it's nature's way to have a human way, because that's how we develop the human way with brain. So our task is to know the nature's way and not to be arrogant as human's ego. And for that to happen, we have to connect to our root. But we forgot that, many of us, most of us, because the mind and the brain we have is so interesting to play with. So we invent more and more ways to play, including AI. But ultimately, we'll pay the price. We have been paying the price of suffering, not aligned to the nature's way. I have to breathe in and out calmly, because I don't want my mind to talk without connecting to the nature's way. And to connect to the nature's way, I have to be very, very calm, quiet, empty-minded. Then there's a sense of connection, waku-waku, liveliness. And for that I may meditate, or I may say Namu Amida Buddha. So I throw away me identity, for Amida Buddha, or the nature's way, to take over. Because that's the origin of who we are, where we came from, and we are still connected without us knowing and appreciating as much. Human arrogance. Awakening to me is to know that and let go of the human arrogance, at least for a while. But the human brain creeps in because we got it. So it's a constant process, in my view, to always connect to the heart so that we are wise and compassionate enough and be able to appreciate the fact that we are here, alive. It's as if the God or the nature's way had set up this game for us to realize who we really are. No other animals or plant cannot do it, but human has a capability because we get deluded. We go through suffering. So if we know that and go to the origin, the core of our being, I like to use the word case is closed, at least for a while, that we melt into the nature, not overcoming the nature or throwing away the nature's way. We pay the price. We keep paying the price. But the price of pain is to appreciate, awaken the root of who we are. I can hear the bird. Now it's quiet. I thought the bird was saying, well said, well said. They are behaving the nature's way. Nature makes the judgment, right judgment all the time. Human make the judgment, wrong judgment most of the time. Let's be aware, be humble, sincere, truthful, and appreciate our being in this moment. It's funny to think we got this brain, but to use the brain, we need to throw away the brain to make sure we are connected. May all beings be happy.